Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're showing you how to use both PV and AC charging methods with the eco-worthy SL3500 stackable power station. The tools used for charging include a Phillips screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver 8, solar panels, single-ended MC4 red and black cables for PV charging, and a NEMA 5-15P to bare wire for AC charging. Let's start with PV charging. Before connecting, please check that your solar panels match the required specs shown on the screen. Here, we demonstrate with 100W solar panels. We can connect 8 100W solar panels in a 4S2P configuration. The open circuit voltage is 24.5 volt times 4 equals 98 volt. This is within the acceptable range. The short circuit current is 5.20 ampere times 2 equals 20.28 ampere, also within the acceptable range. The total power output of the solar array is 100 watt times 8 equals 800 watt, confirmed. After confirming the parameters, we can start the actual connection. First, turn off the all-in-one inverter charger and open the top cover. Insert the red and black MC4 cables into the corresponding positive and negative terminals and tighten the screws. The other end of the red and black wires is connected to the overall positive and negative terminals of the solar panel array. After connecting, turn on the PV switch and the main power switch. You've now completed the PV charging setup. Now, let's move on to AC charging. Prepare a NEMA 5-15P to bare wire. Connect each wire to its corresponding terminal and tighten the screws firmly. Then plug the NEMA in into a wall outlet and turn on both the AC input switch and the front power switch. AC charging complete. That wraps up the SL3500 stackable power station's dual charging tutorial. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to leave a comment. We'll see you again very soon.